I wasn't really going to make this video, but I'm getting quite a few emails and questions regarding elegant themes, work related of course. So I decided to create this video just to let everyone know that I am no longer part of Elegant Themes. My time at Elegant Themes was fantastic. I got to travel, meet a lot of people, and also get to make new friends. So I am going to still create DV related content, but it's going to be on my main YouTube channel. But I'm also waiting for other opportunities that may come along and see where this will take us. I have some products launching very soon on the Elegant Themes marketplace, and I also have courses that are in development. All these are web related and also around DV, but I'm open to working with new products so that I can expand most of the work around web design. Thank you very much for supporting me, and thank you Elegant Themes for the great opportunity. It's been 5 years, I think, we've been working together. And like I said, it's been really, really amazing. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe on my YouTube channel. That's where you're going to see all the updates